Welcome to the SmartBackup End User Restore Guide video series. This is part 1 in the series, and it provides an introduction to the series. In these videos, we will show you how easy it is to restore deleted or damaged data, or to revert to an earlier version of your data, in your Smartsheet sheets. When your organization installed SmartBackup, they configured the solution to automatically create recurring backup copies of your recently used sheets and dashboards. If everything was configured well, then these backups happen automatically. As a Smartsheet user, when SmartBackup is installed, the only small change you will see is that a new workspace has been created in your Smartsheet account. This workspace has a special name, which looks like this. This special workspace is used to store the backup copies that SmartBackup creates automatically, and it is referred to as the Vault. When we go into this Backup Vault workspace, you will see that whenever SmartBackup runs, it creates a new folder, with the date and time included in the name of the folder. This means that you can easily see when each backup set was created. Then, if you select one of these backup folders, you will see that it contains backup copies of your sheets and dashboards that were recently changed. Or, it could also contain a complete set of backup copies of all your sheets and dashboards, depending on how your IT department has configured the solution. Now that you know where the backup copies are located, let's switch over to a live sheet and take a look at the process for restoring data. In this example, I'm going to open our demo sheet. As you can see, this looks like a typical Smartsheet sheet. It has formatting, data, drop-down list columns, column formulas, cell formulas, links, images, attachments, automations, forms, etc. As you know, Smartsheet is an excellent business tool, and one of its best features is the ability to collaborate by sharing access to sheets, dashboards, and reports with your coworkers. However, at the same time, this collaboration capability also exposes a risk. What if one of your coworkers were to delete data, or delete rows, or even change data by mistake in one of your shared sheets? How would you recover that data, and go back to an earlier version? Well, thank goodness for SmartBackup. With SmartBackup, it is really easy to restore and go back to an earlier version of data in a sheet or dashboard. The overall video series includes several short videos, each covering a specific restore scenario. As you can see from this list, these videos cover how to restore formulas, deleted rows, and deleted cells. They also look at how to revert to earlier versions of form data and drop-down lists, and then finally how to recover from a deleted sheet. You can either watch these in sequence, or you can jump to a specific video if you need to know about one particular scenario. That brings us to the end of this video. You can find more details about SmartBackup on our website at www.aqworkflow.com. And, if you have any other questions, please reach out to your IT department. Thanks for watching.